Hello everyone, let's learn something about computer memory and storage. Computer memory and storage. Dear everyone, as you know, a computer is a smart machine which works on the principle of IPO cycle. IPO means input, process, output. Input is any data or instruction entered in the memory of a computer. We feed data and instruction using the input devices. The processing work of this data and instruction is done with the help of processing devices. The meaningful results are obtained by using the output devices. A computer also has a huge storage capacity. The storage capacity of a computer is called its memory. It enables the computer to store data and instructions. Computer memory is measured in terms of bits and bytes. A bit is the smallest unit of information which a computer can process. A computer can understand only two states, on and off, represented by 0. These two digits O's and ones are called binary digits or bits. A byte is the combination of bits. It is the basic storage unit in the computer memory. One byte means one character. A character can be an alphabet, number, or a symbol. One byte consists of 8 bits. The memory of a computer is of two types, primary memory and secondary memory. In IPO cycle, the use of primary memory in the flow of information and do calculations. The input and output is stored permanently. This storage takes is done by the secondary memory. Different types of memory size. 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte. 1024 KB is equal to 1 megabyte. 1024 MB is equal to 1 gigabyte. 1024 GB is equal to 1 terabyte. Primary memory or internal memory or main memory. Primary memory is the built-in memory designed to store data and instruction while the computer is working. It also stores data on which work is being done at a given time. The data stored in internal memory is erased when the computer is turned off. It is always easier to access data or programs from the primary memory as it is the fastest of all forms of computer data storage. Primary memory is of two types, read-only memory, that is ROM, and random access memory, that is RAM. Read-only memory. In a typical computer system, ROM is located on the motherboard. As the name suggests, read-only memory or ROM stores information that can only be read. ROM plays a critical part in booting up or starting up your computer. Read-only memory or ROM contains the instruction for what needs to happen when computer is powered on. The data in ROM cannot be modified or only with great difficulty. ROM is also a type of non-volatile storage, which means that the information is maintained even if the computer components loses power. Random access memory. RAM is the working memory of a computer system. It is attached to slots on the motherboard. When we start a computer, the operating system is loaded temporarily into RAM. Any software that we run is also loaded temporarily into RAM from a permanent storage device such as hard disk. It means that a computer with more RAM will work faster than a computer with less RAM. The data we feed while working is also temporarily stored in the RAM. So, Before switching off the computer, the data has to be saved onto a permanent storage device. RAM is often called a volatile or temporary memory because the information stored in RAM is lost if the power supply is turned off. When we switched on computer, the saved data and software again reload onto the RAM. Since RAM is the place where all the work is done, data can be read and written in RAM. So, RAM is also known as read or write memory. Secondary memory or external memory or auxiliary memory. Secondary memory is used to store data for a longer period. Data is not lost in this memory even when the computer is turned off. This memory is essential because the internal storage of a computer is less. Secondary memory provides ample space to save data. Storage devices are the data storage devices that are used in the computers to store the data. The common type of storage device that is used include the hard disk, the floppy disk, drive, the CD-ROM, the flash memory, the USB data card, etc. A computer uses these devices with the help of its primary memory. In these devices, data are stored permanently. Some of the advantages of data storage devices are large storage space. These devices can store a large amount of data. Easy transfer of data. Data saved in these storage devices can easily be transferred from one computer system to the another. Easy to change data. We can easily change or delete the data saved in most data storage devices. Hard disk. A hard disk drive, sometimes operated as hard drive or HD or HDD, is a device used to permanently store and retrieve information. It is located in CPU box. It has a very large capacity to hold data and information. All the software of a computer are stored in a hard disk. Data can be stored on both the side of the disk. Hard disks have large storage capacity. Nowadays, hard disks can store data from 250 GB to 1 TB. Hard disk can also be attached externally to computer to store additional data or to save a backup of the present data. Such hard disks are called external hard disk. CD or compact disc. A compact disc is a flat, round, portable storage device. It is actually made of three layers. The disc is covered with a transparent coating so that it can be read by a laser beam. It can store the data up to 700 MB. The data stored in the CD can be accessed by putting it into the CD drive located in CPU box. The CD is commonly available in three types. 1. A CD-ROM is a read-only CD that has data on it to be used by a program. These types of CDs already contain music or data. ROM stands for read-only memory, meaning you can read the data from it but not write to it. Second, a CD-R is a blank CD that you can write to. This is what you would use to make a music CD or a data CD. Third, a CD-RW is a form of CD-R that can be erased and rewritten. So you can make a music CD on one of these two. Then later you can erase it and burn different songs to it. A computer needs a CD-ROM player to run a CD, DVD or digital versatile disc or digital video disc. A DVD is an Optical storage devices used for data storage and for recording movies with high quality audio and video. A DVD is similar to a CD in a shape and size, but has a much larger storage capacity and is also storage more than a CD, stronger than a CD. It can store up to 4.7 GB data. Two layers DVDs hold double the amount of data. Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray is an optical disc format designed to display high-definition video and store large amount of data. Blu-ray is the successor to DVD. The storage capacity of Blu-ray disc is 25 GB on single side and 50 GB on its dual side. USB drive or flash drive. A USB drive, popularly known as the pen drive or thumb drive, has emerged as the most popular data backup device. It is used for copying and moving data from one computer to another. It is a small, lightweight, removable and rewritable drive. It is a plug and play device that plugs into a computer's USB port. It comes in various storage capacities from 4 GB to 32 GB. It is also a highly durable device and keeps the data safe and secure. We can rewrite data in it any number of times. Multimedia card. Multimedia card is a flash memory card used as a storage medium for portable devices like mobile, digital camera and music players in a form that can easily be removed from access by a computer. These devices transfer image and music file into a computer using multimedia card reader which can be connected to a computer through a USB cable. Most of the laptops comes with it inbuilt card readers.